Thank you for joining my office in the trees here in Anchorage, Alaska. You have a last opportunity to join the Women's Quarterly Vision Mapping Workshop tomorrow, March 27th. I will guide you through my vision mapping framework. It's a 2-hour workshop, and you will create your success plan. If you are growing a business, starting a business, changing careers, or if you think about dreams and goals, and you think about them, and maybe you have no idea how to start living them, this workshop's for you. We'll dust those off. We'll take those visions, those dreams off the shelf, dust them off, and create a success plan to get you the results that you're looking to get, and I bet results that will be beyond your wildest dreams, because I've seen it happen over and over and over and over. The vision mapping framework has helped me to lead a life beyond my wildest dreams, as well as hundreds of others that I've worked with. I've watched women switch businesses. I've watched women close businesses and go into a completely new business. I've watched women grow businesses tenfold. I've watched women get married. I've watched women move. All sorts of things can happen if you create a plan leading from your heart, detail it, create action steps, and let go of the results. It is mind-blowing what can happen. A few of the things that have happened in my life, I've started 3 different businesses over the last 20 years. And I live in a home, in a log cabin in the woods surrounded by animals, which was probably on my vision map as a child. Recently, I've had the opportunity, I sit here every day and I look at this photo of the mountains and the ocean and whales jumping in the air. And so several years ago, I put on my vision map, maybe it was only a year ago, to have a place on the ocean, somewhere on the ocean. And I thought it was going to be in Alaska or maybe Washington. Turns out there's an opportunity in Mexico, right on the ocean. Visions and dreams can come true. And this framework will set you up for success. Please, please, please join tomorrow. This quarterly vision mapping workshop. It's going to be a lot of fun. There's a really cool synergy that happens when a group of women come together and they interact amongst themselves. And there's a couple really cool giveaways. A-Town Coffee is one of them. So I invite you to join the workshop. If you can't make it tomorrow, follow me, subscribe to my email list, connect with me, and perhaps you can make the next one. All right. Please, please, please share with your friends, because you might know somebody that is stumbling along, that is stuck, that is looking to do something, create something, live a life beyond their wildest dreams. This is the workshop for them. Dreams do happen. Magic, miracles happen. Is it work? Yes. Is it a lot of faith? Yes. Is it a lot of accountability? Yes. Is it worth it? Yes. I hope to see a lot of you tomorrow. Okay. Thanks so much. Talk to you soon. Bye.